Can I make 50 USDT on a daily basis in the cryptocurrency space? Now, this is one of the questions which majority of the people who are following me ask each and every day. Some of them even ask me how they can make even just $5 or 5 USDT on a daily basis. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain what it takes to make the 50 USDT on a daily basis, especially for a person who is coming to the cryptocurrency space for the first time, or someone who has been in the cryptocurrency space for some time but has never been able to make any significant amount of profits from this kind of space. Now, there are some steps that you are going to follow so as to understand what it takes to make maybe between 30 to 50 USDT in the cryptocurrency space on a daily basis. Now, let me make my first assumption, and the first assumption is that you have never made any significant amount of money. You may be making money, but maybe the profits that you've been making the cryptocurrency space are sometimes drained by huge losses that you make afterwards, or you are just coming to the cryptocurrency space for the first time. Now, let me take you through 6 steps that will enable you to make this amount of money in the cryptocurrency space. Now, the very, very first thing that you need to understand is that for you to trade cryptocurrency or just use any other cryptocurrency arbitrage opportunities for you to make this money, you need to understand where you are going to trade your cryptocurrencies or where you are going to put your energy so that you get this particular kind of money. And now this brings us to the very, very first step, that is choice of the cryptocurrency exchange or choice of the cryptocurrency wallet. Remember, it is the cryptocurrency exchange or cryptocurrency wallet that will enable you to trade your cryptocurrencies, exploit a very large number of arbitrage opportunities in the market, and use very, very many tactics that I'm going to share with you for you to make money. Now, choice of the right cryptocurrency exchange will double or even optimize your profits. And choice of the wrong cryptocurrency exchange or wallet will see you lose even the little amount of money that you have. Now, first, you choose the correct cryptocurrency exchange or the correct cryptocurrency wallet. And some of the things that you need to consider when you are choosing a cryptocurrency wallet or exchange. First one is the number of ways to make money. If it is, for example, it is Binance, you are looking at various ways to make money, that is trading and non-trading. You are asking yourself, if you are not a very good trader or you have never been a successful trader and you do not want to gamble, is there any other way that you can use to make money? That is what you should look at. And each and every cryptocurrency exchange will provide very many ways of making money even without trading with your capital, while at the same time they still provide highly optimal, even highly recommended ways of trading your capital and making good profits from the cryptocurrency exchange. Now, the very, very second step is to do deep research. And deep research comes here. Why should you do deep research before you even decide that you are going to trade and make some money? Now, the research is going to enable you to make the right choice as far as cryptocurrency exchange is concerned. That is one. And choosing the correct cryptocurrency exchange is going to enable you to optimize your profits. The next thing, having knowledge or significant amount of knowledge is going to enable you to choose the right projects and cryptocurrencies to trade. Remember, in the cryptocurrency space, we have thousands and tens of thousands of cryptocurrency that are being launched each and every day. And that means that majority of these cryptocurrencies are not okay. Some of them are rug pulls, some of them are scam coins and scam projects, and therefore it means that without the right information in the market, you are not going to make any profit. Instead of making profit, you are going to lose the $1,000 that you are trading with. The $100 that you are trading with, you are going to lose it within a day or within 1 week. Now, research is very, very important. And we have also looked at some of the sources of information that you need to have. For example, in the video that I've just linked in this video, We looked at some of the sources of cryptocurrency news. The first one we talked about Binance Square. We also looked at the Binance Academy. We look at the Coin Market Cap. We look at the X, that is the formerly known as Twitter. We look at the CoinDesk. We look at the Discord and Telegram. These are some of the places where you're going to find the most up-to-date information regarding the cryptocurrency space. Now, the third one, and which is very, very important, is choosing your strategy. You have to come up with a strategy, guys. Making $50 on a daily basis trading cryptocurrency is not something that is going to be easy. Maybe you may make this money in a single day. After that, you will start making losses even in the next 1 month. That is not something that we want. We want that when you start making that money, the $50, you are going to make it maybe for the next 1 month. After 1 month, you are going to upgrade now to $80, to $100, and even to $200, like that, like that. We do not want a situation whereby you are going to make maybe the $50 in the next 1 week. Then that is going to be followed by maybe a series of losses that may total up to even 10,000 USDT. Now, this is the step. You have to choose just 3 strategies. The first strategy, you need to choose what is going to make you this money. It might be just one strategy or just one way of making money off the cryptocurrency space. Maybe you have just decided that you have maybe 500 USDT, you want to use it to trade so that you'll be making the $50 per day. If you have, let's say, $500, you want to trade with it on a daily basis and make 50, it simply means that you are going to only require a strategy or an opportunity to give you just 10% on a daily basis, and then you maintain that. And that now brings us to the different markets in the cryptocurrency space. You are going to choose whether you want to trade in the margin market, in the futures market, or in the spot market. We also have the bots market. You will decide whether you want to trade in any of the market or if you want to combine them. But just make sure that you do your risk analysis and risk management very, very well. Now, the second strategy. The second strategy is on the risk management. Remember, you have chosen the way through which you are going to make money. It is either through trading, you are going to risk your capital. It is either through referrals. Remember, if you are just doing referrals and not doing any other thing in the cryptocurrency space, let us take something like a cryptocurrency wallet like Noon's wallet. Let us come to the partner program. You are going to see that most of these cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets are offering even up to 50% commission on the fees collected from these people you bring. That means if someone comes and trade a cryptocurrency worth $1,000, all the trading fees that are going to be collected from this particular trader, you are going to be given up to 40% of that. That is if you are an affiliate on Noon's wallet. Now you have chosen that you are going to make your money through affiliate program, or you have chosen that you are going to make your money by doing something much different, and maybe what you are going to do, you just want to trade gift cards, or you want to do other things. You have to be very, very clear, and you have to ensure that you manage your risk very, very well. Now, the third thing is always to learn. Continue learning. Guys, continue learning. The cryptocurrency will always change each and every minute. Maybe today you are trading in the spot market, you are trading a cryptocurrency by the name Terra, for example, or Bitcoin, or maybe BNB. And a lot of things are changing in this project each and every day. Now, it means that the only thing that is going to make you to continue trading and making profits in this cryptocurrency project is knowledge. You have to get that knowledge each and every day. You have to learn. You have to continue learning. You have to continue getting updated with the most recent cryptocurrency news. Without constant learning in the cryptocurrency space, you are not going to go far. You may start very, very well, but in the long run, you are going to lose. And you are going to lose a lot of money. Again, some of the places that you can get this information, we have talked about them. Binance Academy. We have Binance Academy, we have Noon's Academy, we have the Binance Square. have the X or Twitter. Then the the fifth thing that you need to take into consideration is managing and controlling your emotions. Remember, the cryptocurrency space is just like the forex market or the stock market. It's all about trading, and even if you are going to bring people on board to trade so that you can be paid affiliate money, but these people are coming to trade, so you need to have some knowledge of trading before even you do that. Now, if you are going to trade and you are going to trade successfully, you need to know that if you cannot control your emotions, then you are going to lose in the long run. If you cannot know when to get into the market and when to get out of the market, you are going to lose a lot of money. If you are going to sell a cryptocurrency coin because people are just selling it, or maybe there are so many rumors in the market that it is going to crash, without doing your due diligence, then you are going to lose in the long run. If you are going to buy Bitcoin because the price has reached maybe 120,000 USDT, you are just buying it so that you do not miss out of the opportunity. You are going to lose in the long run. You need to take control of your emotions and do everything. Then the very, very last thing in this case is always to listen to your conscience. Yes, listen to your own conscious or subconscious. Listen to your heart before you do anything. Remember, the cryptocurrency space for you to make that 50 USDT on a daily basis and maintain it, you are going to avoid a lot of things. There are so many companies, there are so many scammers, there are so many people who will come with very, very lucrative and very persuasive or opportunities. Maybe they will be telling you, we can trade for you and make for you just 10% or even 20% on a daily basis. But you have to invest with us some amount of money. That is a trap, and in the long run, you are going to lose your money.